I'm feeling this headband. Rotimi, what do you think?
I love it.
Aww. Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. My name is Torera and you're welcome to DIY Does. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of this growing family. I post DIY videos every single Thursday, so be sure to check back next Thursday. Today, I'm really excited to share this tutorial with you. We're going to be making this headband that's on my head. I absolutely love it. The first time I saw Chrissy Teigen wear this headband, I told myself, Torera, you have to make that. And voila, it's here. I'm so excited to share the tutorial with you guys. I really hope you guys try it because it is incredibly easy. Let's get into the video. So you're going to need a bunch of things: your glittery fabric, a pair of scissors, elastic band, thread, needle, and some pins. So you want to measure the circumference of your head first, and then from the circumference of your head you deduct 4 inches. Now when it comes to elastic bands, 4 inches long means that you're going to use about 2.5 inches because it's going to stretch to 4 inches, if you understand what I mean. So here, that's what I cut out. So measure your own head and see what it comes up to. So with this elastic band, what I need to do is to case it in the, where did I say case? is to put it in the glittery fabric so that it matches the rest of the headband. So what I do is fold it right sides together and sew it, and then I turn it inside out. So here I'm starting to weave the elastic through this piping that I've made, whatever it's called, and then I'm just going to sew the end so that the elastic is secure in between this fabric. The next thing you want to do is to drag the elastic out through the other side of the fabric. Here you can use a pin to pull it out, you can use anything, but I just used my hands because it was easy. And then you want to sew that end together as well. And what you have should look like this. So remember what's left of the 4 inches that you deducted, right? That's the length of the fabric that you're going to cut, and you're going to cut this in 2 places. Fold right sides together again and sew. Now turn it inside out as you did with the bit for the elastic, and make sure that the part that you sew together is right in the center so that it doesn't show any stitches or whatsoever. Now here's the fun part. You want to twist the fabric that you just created and just twist them around till you have something that looks like this. The next thing I do is to pin the ends together. Remember the parts where you had the stitches? I tried to align them in the same way and try to hide them so that they don't show, and then just pin them together. You're going to sew them up in a minute. So sew a bunch of running stitches all the way down the end, and once you've bunched it up to about the size of the elastic, you want to align the elastic and that bunched up bit and then sew them together. Your stitches don't have to be perfect, just keep sewing it so that they are together. Now once that bit is secure, you want to repeat the same for the other side, but remember to do it on the left side. That's the part that you're going to turn, that is going to be against your head, so that it doesn't show outside. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So do you see how all the stitches are hidden inside? Can you see what I'm talking about? And that's how you have a really neat headband. Guys, this is so beautiful. Like, I love it so much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, put a thumbs up on it. And if you really love it, subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Thursday. Be sure to check back next week Thursday. I'll have a brand new video for you guys. Till next time.